So in our industry of insurance restoration, the insurance companies do expect us to make every attempt to try and salvage everything that we possibly can. It's not always a 100% successful attempt, but for the most part, we have a good maybe 75 to 95% success rate. Part of that situation involves countertops. These countertops were installed along the kitchen walls in the back of the kitchen there, and we were able to successfully detach them and place them onto a shoring system. This shoring system is going to be left in place so that various parties such as insurance adjusters and maybe even the repair contractor can now come back and make sure that they're usable to save the insurance and the customer some money here.